How are you guys? I hope you guys will be in the best condition of health, doing well and enjoying your life. Our today video is about beautiful and stylish high heels as well as ankle bordered designs. Ideas for these ladies who love to wear these beautiful and stylish leather ankle boots in winter season for different occasions. Dear viewers, if you want to buy these beautiful and stylish leather ankles boots, then I will tell you about online visiting websites from where you can buy these ankle boots easily at affordable price. But before telling websites, if you are visiting my YouTube channel first time, then please make sure to subscribe my our channel. Share my videos with your friends and family members. Share my videos and like my videos so these viewers you can buy these beautiful and stylish high heel leather ankle boots from any online store. You will easily get all these leather ankle boots at affordable price. You can also buy these boots from any new markets. I hope you will get all the designs easily at affordable price from uni markets. Dear viewers, if you want to give me any suggestion to improve my YouTube channel, contact then you can tell me in the comment section. I will consider your suggestion in improving my YouTube channel content. And if you want to upload any video about and the latest fashion, then you can tell me about in the comment section. I will also try to upload video on these fashion and those styles also be on your viewers. You can wear these leather ankle boots for party wear, fire for college, fair and for club fair, and you look extremely gorgeous and stylish by wearing these leather ankle boots and winter session. Reviewers, I hope you will try these ankle boards. You will look extremely gorgeous and stylish by wearing these leather ankle boots. These ankle boots are very stylish, very soft and very comfortable. Dear viewers, if you want to see more videos related to women fashion and style, then please make sure to visit my YouTube profile page. By visiting my YouTube profile page, you will get very amazing and very beautiful idea of the bird styling of women latest fashion style idea. Dear rewards, see you soon with latest content of man fashion and style. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep watch my YouTube channel, keep sharing my videos. Take care till next video. I will catch you all soon with latest content of women fashions with style. Till then, thank you. How are you guys? I hope you guys will be in